Yes, getting some breaking updates coming in right now, where a stampede that took place outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium yesterday amid celebrations to mark IPL win of Royal Challengers Bengaluru mentioned at Karnataka High Court. That is right. Big update coming in. This case will be heard by the Karnataka High Court today. This is huge. Court says it will hear the matter at 2:30 p.m. and the bench of acting Chief Justice V.K. Rao and Justice C.M. Joshi say the court will take up the matter at 2:30 p.m. today. I repeat, this is going to happen today, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in right now, Republic TV. And as the investigation continues, as a probe has been ordered, we are seeing that multiple developments are coming in. It was supposed to be a historic celebration of the Royal Challengers Bengaluru first IPL title ended in a horrifying tragedy. 11 people lost their lives, 40 people have been injured. And I want to straight to go across to my colleague who's joining us right now, Abhishek, who's on the ground and is getting us all those pictures and what's happening a day after that terrible tragedy. Abhishek, now we understand that the Karnataka High Court will take up the matter very, very soon, in approximately few hours from now. Abhishek.
Well, Shivangi, I'm at the exact spot where the stampede happened yesterday, and these are one of the gates where the people were trying to rush out of the gate, and this is the one of the locations where a couple of people lost their lives to the mistake which they never ever had done until now. So coming back to the point of the stampede, there's an update from the Karnataka State High Court saying that the matter, since when it was mentioned in the morning, the Chief Justice has mentioned that the matter will be taken up at around 2:30 in the noon, and we are probably having intention of the High Court might also register a suo motu case against the Karnataka State Government and the Karnataka State Police as well, and see their judicial consideration or judicial inquiry will be conducted, and also they will make sure the actual people who are behind this lapse might go behind the bars, is what the expectation of people of state of Karnataka is as of now. So we will have to wait and see how the court seeks this, how the court takes this into consideration. Will the court also consider the lapse of the police? Will the court also consider the lapse of the Karnataka State Government? How will it see the civilians rushing into this prime location or the CBD?
ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ವರದಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಸರ್. ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. Okay, well, yesterday, because of RCB stampede celebration incident, we have received about 18 patients and 6 dead bodies. All 6 dead bodies we have received as brought dead. So, among 18 patients, so most of the patients taken, 8 patients taken outpatient treatment and they went home happily. And other 10 patients we have admitted for observation. Among 10 patients, 3 patients were the orthopedic patient. They have sustained fractures of both bones of the leg. So we are preparing them for surgery today. And other small injury cases, about 7 cases, almost they have discharged. One boy is by name Bilal. He is taking treatment at the pediatric ward. He has got some right eye subconjunctival hemorrhage. He is under treatment. I have told our ophthalmologist to take care of that patient. So within 1 or 2 days he will become all right. No, right now there is no problem for vision. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow I am going to discharge that patient also.
Sir, when the victims had come in, when there were people who had injured had come in, what was the kind of reaction that given? Because definitely the situation there was very intense. What did you observe initially?
So
your initial observation, sir.
All patients which I was received yesterday, I was in the headquarter, I was in the casualty. So most of them were restless, irritable, they were highly anxious, parents were anxious, people are anxious, public are anxious. So we have made all arrangements. We got all doctors. We have taken all doctors from the different departments to casualty. So we are very much scared, and also we felt very bad about that incident. And we have rushed to the patients. We have whatever the treatment required, whichever the patient on priority basis, we have given proper treatment.
There were many politicians coming in yesterday. What is the kind of extended support that you're getting from the government? There's obviously a lot of focus.
Regarding that matter, I don't know, ma. Government will take. Our minister has given standing instruction to take care of our patients. We have given our dean and director has given lot of support. He has given. We have given full 100% free treatment. Drugs, IV fluids, and all dressings, no problem. They have supplied like anything. So right now we have furnished with things properly.
Sir, there were 6 people who had deceased. Several of them were unidentified as well. Were we still able to identify?
Yeah,
those
at the time of admission, all 6 dead bodies were unidentified. We have admitted them as unidentified. So after time passed away, the parents were come. So they have identified 2 bodies here. Then after in the midnight, so about all patients were identified.
So how many
the
people?
cause of the death? That most of them were
So the cause of